Enjoy the view of this 2022 Hyundai Kona. Here's a Hyundai Kona, the connected and versatile SUV that brings a fresh sense of adventure to every outing. You'll love the advanced safety features and easy-to-use touchscreen infotainment this right-sized subcompact crossover offers, not to mention its comfortable cabin and agile ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, backup camera, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, stability control, rear spoiler, pass-through rear seat. Take a new sense of joy along on every journey in this stylish and connected Kona. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.